Hello, my friend. Welcome to Anji Vanbow Group. Now, let me show you our factory. Let's go. This building is our factory. We have 4 floors. Now we are going to the 4th floor. On the 1st floor, we have sewing workshop and a cutting workshop. The elevator is quite slow. And at that time, you can see here our warehouse for foam and some small parts. Okay, the elevator is coming. Now we're going to the 4th floor. And now let me introduce our company for you. Our company was established in 2003, and after development of around 18 years, we now have 3 factories, and the total area is 43,000 square meters. And now we have 500 employees, which include 30 salesperson, 20 QC, and 10 technicians. And now we can export around 250 containers per month. And now here we are. Right behind me is the cutting workshop, the cutting line, and that machine is automatic cutting machine. This machine cuts the PU into pieces and sends it to the seal machine. Here we have around 100 seal machines, and what we do here is make the PU pieces into the PU cover. Like this. And the office in front of us is our technique department. All the new samples and the new models were from this office. These are all the samples for our clients. And now we are going to the 3rd floor. On the 3rd floor, we have gunning and a nailing workshop. Now we can listen, we can hear the noise from the 3rd floor. This is a molded form with an iron frame. What we do here is make the PU cover on the foam and the iron frame. After this progress, we can see our semi-products. Here is all our semi-products. And all these products, all these seats and back are waiting for packing. And what we do on the second floor is packing. Let's see our packing line. You see, this is the semi-products from the third floor, and now all these products are waiting for packing. Here is our packing line. We could pack around 6 containers every day. And after packing, all the products, all the chairs will be sent to our warehouse. This is our warehouse. You can see in our warehouse, we can store around 50 containers. And these chairs are ready to all over the world. Now we have checked our factory, and if you are interested in our products, please contact us for further cooperation. Thank you.